Hello, my name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at Fort Myers MarineMax. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 27-foot sun deck from Sea Ray with an outboard power. It's a Sea Ray blue boat, stone interior, white 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. We do have them tucked in here pretty tight, so I'm going to have to go around the back and take another quick shot for you, and then I'll take you through the interior of the boat. Here you can see the rear sun pad on this Sea Ray. This boat has a stone interior, as I mentioned, so it has a nice soft color to the upholstery. It's not real bright and it's not too dark. Perfect for this environment. And here you can see the white 300 Mercury Verado. As I approach the back of the boat, you walk in, the first thing you see is a large sun pad, a nice ski pole. Sometimes people use them as extra handles. This boat has a white collapsible tower. Obviously we have blue canvas on this boat. You can see the very large family style seating, big U-shaped. Both these front seats convert to face backwards. On this side we have our helm with the 9-inch Simrad display that shows all your functionalities for your power, all your maps, depth sounders, Fusion stereo head with Fusion speakers throughout the boat. On this side of the boat we have access to the head compartment with a vacuum flush head, stainless steel sink. As we move forward, very large seating up front with a windlass bow pulpit. The boat is equipped with a gray snap-in sea deck flooring, as you can see, which is incredibly soft on your feet. A wonderful flooring option on the boat. Notice the detailing in the upholstery, the sewing, all very nice, updated, very modern. Thank you very much. My name is Slade Sackman here in Fort Myers MarineMax. Thank you for watching our 2027 sun deck. Hope to see you soon.